Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and this is a natural toothpaste that I really like using. I find it works very well. This is the Himalaya Whitening Complete Care, and it's in the Simply Mint flavor. I really like this mint flavor. It's just very fresh, and I find that it lasts all day. Take a look. I'm impressed with the ingredients in this toothpaste. One of the ingredients it contains is papaya enzyme, which helps to whiten teeth, and I do feel like my teeth are whiter after using this. And it also contains neem oil, which helps to cut down on bacteria in the mouth, which in the long term is going to help to stop cavities.
It's nice that it's carrageen free, and kids under 6 can use this. It's recommended they use a pea-sized amount. I like that it's not a gritty toothpaste. It's very smooth.
This is a nice size toothpaste. It's almost 6 ounces, 5.29. If you're looking for a natural toothpaste that tastes really good, it works well, I'd highly recommend this one. I think it's good, and that's my point of view.